What do we have here today, Joe Bell?
Chicken feet recipe.
What? Chicken feet?
Yes.
You didn't tell me this was going to be a chicken feet video.
Sorry.
Lord. Yum. So that's a pound of chicken feet.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
And,
we're going to pressure
clean
cook. We're
and
going
wash.
to pressure cook the chicken feet.
Yes. Put the olive oil,
Olive oil and garlic.
minced garlic. Just saute.
You can't have chicken feet without garlic.
I always use,
It's delicious.
delicious garlic.
I won't ever know. Joe tells me they're delicious. I'm pretty adventurous, but I have not eaten a chicken feet yet.
Yeah,
But
I don't
hear
like
they are
it.
delicious.
But I understand. You don't.
Oh, there they go. There go the chicken feet.
Yes. Dump it in and just sear it for 1 minute before add.
Oh, so the nails, the claws are cut off already.
I cut it up.
Okay. Jesus. They look like little Patricks from SpongeBob SquarePants.
All right. Next soy sauce. Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. A half teaspoon. Or tablespoon. That must have been a tablespoon.
Tablespoon, I guess.
Then we got some
Chipotle sauce.
okay.
Like one chili pepper.
I think I could eat this if there just weren't any chicken feet in it.
Hey, should
But
be
the sauce
chicken
sounds
feet.
delicious.
Add water, chili flakes, Anaheim peppers. It's not spicy.
Yeah.
The Anaheim, but
Anaheim is
Anaheim.
Anaheim, California. It is.
Chicken bouillon and lemon juice, and
then
cover up and cook in pressure cooker for 30 minutes. And when it's done, it's gonna be tender, like tender. You can suck the feet, and it's like
That sounds great.
separate in a bone.
Comes
It's
right
really
off the
good.
bone.
The
Meat falls off the bone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, it is.
I am
Here
glad
we
you
go.
enjoyed your chicken feet, Joe.
Yeah, I absolutely enjoy it with
Oh, with some
rice.
Yeah. Oh my
All right,
goodness.
bye-bye, guys.